Another concert, another fans throwing stuff at a performing artist on stage. Rapper Drake recently roasted a fan who tossed a vape to him on stage at Brooklyn's Barclays Center. The rapper even questioned their decision-making mid-song, reports People magazine. In a clip posted by the venue on TikTok, alongside the caption, "Reminder, you cannot bring vape inside Barclays Center." The rapper, 36, smiled as he asked an audience member if they threw a vape on his stage. "Hey, who threw this? Who threw the vape?" he asked. "There is no way you're taking life seriously if you think I'm gonna pick this vape up and vape with you at the Barclays Center." As per People, as the audience erupted in laughter, Drizzy began to slowly kick the vape to the side, as he proclaimed, "You got some real life evaluating to do. Throwing this lemon mint vape up here," he added. "Thinking I'm about to vape with you at the Barclays." Vapes aside, Drake and 21 Savage's latest It's All a Blur tour has made headlines over the last month since the first show in Chicago on July 5th, from Drake performing with a lookalike of his younger self, to requests for brass to be thrown at him, to a hangout with Pound Town rapper Sexy Red backstage. The musician has continued to turn heads.